What is going on today, everybody? Today we're here in Yulee, Florida, and we're going to be going around and doing our regular things, stress testing the First Amendment right to record in public, seeing how the public and or the public officials act if they do arrive out here in the beautiful Sunshine State. So as usual, thank you for being here, and stick around. This should be a good one. Well, all right, everybody. Today we have the Move Medical Cannabis Dispensary here in Yulee, Florida. And as you guys can tell, they're already decorated for Christmas out here. They've completely bypassed Thanksgiving. But we're on a highway type area here. It seems as though a lot of roads in Florida here are 3-lane highway type roads. So hopefully this should bring a lot of traffic and not a ton of road noise. What's up, bud?
I don't want to be filmed.
So you pull right up to my camera and...
Yeah, dude, what are you doing?
Just out here filming, man.
Why? I don't want my car filmed.
So I'm just confused as to if that was the case, why you just pulled all the way around and came right up to me.
I'm wondering why you're doing it.
Okay, can I ask you a question? Do you support the Constitution?
Yes.
Yes, you do? Okay, well what I do is I go around and I stress test our First Amendment right to the freedom of press and public, and I see if I can find more people like you that support our rights out here today.
So that's all you're doing?
There you go.
All right.
All right.
So there's nothing else? You're not like, I don't know, because that kind of thing could be odd.
What do you mean? Well, like a camera out in public?
Yeah, like what are people doing, you know, keeping tabs, seeing who's doing what?
I mean, I'm just standing on a public right away, man. I'm just standing on the sidewalk.
Right here, though, in front of a dispensary?
I'm just everywhere, man. I go everywhere.
Oh, you do?
There you go.
Like, how can I find out what this is? Is there a way to watch your stuff?
Yeah, you can find it.
Are you on YouTube?
Yeah.
What is it?
Well, I usually don't really give it out. Not when I'm in the middle. Not usually. Not while I'm working.
Alright guys, welcome to today's video. Things start off in Yulee, Florida, where a First Amendment auditor heads straight toward a medical cannabis dispensary to test reactions from the public. At first, the atmosphere seems calm, but tension quickly builds when a concerned driver approaches, demanding answers about why he's being filmed. What begins as suspicion slowly shifts into curiosity as the conversation turns toward constitutional rights and public photography.
Usually not while I'm working, no.
All right, man.
Good. I'm backing up all the way into the... Oh, no. Hopefully you guys can see a slight improvement in the camera. I just got the new 17 Pro Max, so hopefully the camera is going to do much better for you guys and be able to see a lot further. Even looks like they got this old bank doing the drive-through area for the weed pickup here. Let's test out the abilities of this camera here. Probably about a good 65-ish yards away here. And man, that's how close we can get with this camera. That's amazing. Yeah, so we'll definitely be getting good shots for you guys from now on. Nice. Thank you for joining in, bro. Thank you very much. Thank you. We need more people out here like you. Thank you.
Hey, so, talked to them in there, and they were like, oh, he's the auditor?
Yes, sir.
For some First Constitution? Never heard of
The
this.
situation settles down as the cameraman continues filming around the dispensary, showing off the new camera quality while observing activity from a distance. Soon after, another customer approaches, this time with a much more relaxed attitude. Instead of confrontation, the interaction turns surprisingly positive, with the man openly discussing medical cannabis and admitting he had never seen this kind of auditing before. The encounter ends respectfully, giving the video a rare calm moment before things escalate later.
Never heard of this. So, I use this for medical reasons. That
Good, that's awesome.
Sometimes I get a little woo, and it helps with it. That's why what's going on here? You've never seen anything like this before. So cool.
I'm glad we could talk it out, man. I'm glad I could educate.
Look for this stuff on YouTube.
I'm sorry?
And I hope you have a good day.
Hey, thanks, man. You too.
And God bless you in your endeavors.
Absolutely. You as well. I'm sorry, with the road noise, I just can't hear you. What's going on, man?
What are you recording?
What am I recording? I'm recording a video.
I'm saying, what are you recording?
Well, what, do you support the Constitution? All right, well, what I do is I go around and I stress test our First Amendment right to the freedom of press in public, and I see if I can find more people like you who support our rights.
Okay, that's what's up. I'm a vlogger anyway. Shout out to the Royal Seasons, man. So,
There you go. What is it?
shout out to the Royal Seasons, man.
There you go, the Royal Seasons, bro.
Man. All right, man. Support y'all.
Take it easy, man. Stay safe out there.
Another passerby notices the camera and immediately questions what's going on near the dispensary. Unlike earlier tension, this interaction feels more casual and energetic, with the man quickly recognizing the filming style and even giving shoutouts before driving away. Moments later, the auditor notices employees watching closely from a distance, hinting that staff inside may already be reacting to the situation. With the tension building around the property, the scene transitions toward an entirely different dispensary in Jacksonville.
Nice. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. We just had a worker standing out over there. I'm not sure if my camera caught it. Man, I could have zoomed all the way in and got him from there. But, you know, seeing as how we haven't had a worker give it to me, we'll give them the people's bicep. We'll give them the real angle that they want.
So after all the craziness and the Karen Cambacks I experienced in Yulee, I went over to
The Green Dragon Cannabis Dispensary here in Jacksonville, Florida.
The atmosphere changes instantly after arriving at the Green Dragon dispensary in Jacksonville. A man aggressively approaches the camera, demanding not to be filmed and becoming increasingly hostile within seconds. The confrontation escalates fast as he steps closer, raises his voice, and threatens to physically knock the camera out of the auditor's hand. Tension peaks when both men stand face to face in a heated standoff, creating the most explosive and unpredictable moment of the entire encounter.
Oh boy.
You do not have my permission to film me, bro.
What's up?
You don't have my permission to film me.
What do you mean?
You're filming me. You don't have my
Yeah,
permission.
well, you don't have
Do you understand that? You want me to talk louder?
You don't have my permission to get up and yell at my face.
You said you couldn't hear me.
Now I can. Can you hear me?
I hear you fine, dude.
Perfect.
And you do not have my permission.
I don't need it.
You don't need it?
No, I don't. Step the away from me, dude. Don't get in
And
my
what
face.
you gonna do?
Don't get in my face. Okay?
I'm gonna knock that motherfucker out of your hand is what I'm gonna do.
No, you're not.
I'm not?
No. Uh-huh.
Set it down, see if I don't whoop your ass.
Okay, buddy. Oh boy.
Is everything okay?
I'm sorry?
Is everything okay?
Yeah.
Is there a reason you're recording?
I'm sorry?
Is there a reason you're recording the
Is there a
building?
reason I'm recording?
Yeah.
Of course, yeah.
And, well, I just want to know, because we have patients coming in and out, and
All
we're
right,
just a
well,
little
do you,
bit concerned
let me ask you a question. Do you support the Constitution?
about...
About people's rights, like the United
Yeah,
States
no,
Constitution.
100%.
Okay, so
no,
what
I just wanted to know-
So what I do is I go around and I stress test our First Amendment right to record in public, and I see if I can find more people like you who support people's rights and you know,
After the
understand.
aggressive confrontation, the tone shifts again when a dispensary employee calmly walks outside to investigate the situation. Unlike the earlier hostility, she approaches professionally and asks respectful questions about the filming. The auditor explains his purpose and describes how he tests public reactions surrounding constitutional rights in public spaces. The conversation remains controlled and polite throughout, showing a complete contrast to the previous outburst and proving how differently people react under the same circumstances.
You know, understand
just
what
want-
people's rights are
Yeah.
out here in public.
I just wanted to make sure, because, you know, we're a medical dispensary, so we have a couple patients who are coming in who are just a little bit concerned about, you know, you standing out here. But I just wanted to double check and see. you
All
know.
good.
Of course. Thank you.
Sweet. Have a good one.
Have a good day.
And what was your name?
My name is Aubrey.
Aubrey. Well, nice to meet you, Aubrey. My name's Johnny.
Nice to meet you.
Have a good one.
Have a good day.
You too. There you go. I don't need your IQ in a show of hands, though. That's okay. Wrong window. Oh, wrong window again.
Hey, little d***.
Have a good one, buddy.
Yeah, you too, you little
Take it. Box. Well, all right, everybody, that's going to be it here today from the Green Dragon dispensary behind me. You know, it seems like a recurring theme here. Hopefully, I believe they called the police. They were giving me the look saying that basically they were calling the police, but either the police or the dispatchers do a very good job of handing out some education over the phone. So hopefully that is the case. We don't know 100% sure, but that's what we hope and that's what it seems like. So other than the few Karens that we've dealt with in the few spots that I've been here in Florida so far, it's been pretty good. So hopefully we can keep this up for the rest of my time here. But let me know what your favorite part was.
Filming wraps up outside the dispensary. The auditor reflects on the day's encounters and suggests that police may have been contacted behind the scenes, although no officers ever arrive. Despite a few heated moments and uncomfortable reactions from drivers and customers, the overall situation never spirals completely out of control. The video closes with final thoughts on public rights, reactions from the community, and the ongoing tension surrounding cameras in public spaces. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.